Hi guys, it's Ask Gucci, and today of course I'm thinking about many things such as our safety and health and coronavirus, and thinking about everybody and how anxious we all are and this uncertainty. And I just wanted to mention that I hope everybody's staying safe. Okay. On another note, a lighter note, makeup is something that gives us a little bit of a boost. And so my Ask Gucci today is what Westman Atelier products can I use a baby blender brush with? And you can use multiple products together with baby blender. I would say my first top choice would be Baby Cheeks, because I kind of had that in mind when I designed the brush. I wanted the brush head to be short and dense, and the handle to be short, so you're closer to your face, so you have more precision and more refinement upon application, and you really can just assess that area that you want to enhance with color, and you just get this really pretty flush of color that looks so authentic and so beautiful. And the application is just so easy, and it also is quicker in my mind. I think everything that I do, I try to create with speed in mind, efficacy, and also it has to look good too and be good. So I also like the baby blender for face trace, for our contour. Give yourself a little, if you need a little bit of definition. And anywhere, if it's your nose, your cheekbone, your eye. I also like it for lit up, for the highlight stick. And I would say that then in that case I would probably wash the brush if you want it to just be a pure glassy finish and not have any color. And that can go anywhere you want natural brilliance or that kind of really nice glassy finish. So your top of your cheekbones, in your tear duct area, your lips, your cupid's bow, a little bit on your chin, tiny bit on your nose, but not in here or here. That wouldn't be so pretty. So I hope everybody is staying safe and calm as we can be. And let me know if you have any tips or tricks for me. And thank you for watching. Okay, bye.